To add a product for sale, select Add Product from the side menu. Enter your product's name and the product description. Select the category and product type by. Enter in the amount for your product and upload images for your product by pressing the plus icon. Press Save when done. Now we're going to show you how to add in a product that is for hire. Select Add Product from the side menu and enter in the product name, product description, select category and product type hire and enter in the amount per day or per hour. Upload your images by pressing the plus icon, and when you're finished, press Save. Now I'll show you how to edit and delete products.